Hello JQ Brick and Restoration. I hope all is well. My name is Manuel and I am with Midtown Marketing. I wanted to give you guys some free tips and make you aware of what being on the first page of Google can do for you guys. I will also give you a sneak peek into your competition. If you like what you see, respond with some feedback, and if you would like some help with these strategies, let me know. Let's get into it. These click to call and form submits are good for increasing your conversion rates, like this here. My first recommendation for you guys is to increase your content on your homepage. The reason is that Google has bots scanning the web 24/7. They are looking at all your homepage content, looking at what all your photos are saved as, and they are looking for keywords. So you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. With those 1,500 words, you will be able to embed your top keywords in there. Now, this is an example of a keyword, Brick Masonry Houston. Below, we will find the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section. So you'll want your Google business profile to move to the top by getting quality citations, 5-star review, and quality photos as well. A citation is your company name, address, phone number listed in other directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages. Below is the organic section. Good job on being at the top here. The rest of the 60 to 70% of business traffic lands here. You'll want to be working on moving your website up to the top with some pointers that I'll show you in just a bit, and not just one keyword but all the keywords that you're going after. In the meantime, an important fact is that 93% of customers won't search past this first page. So let's look at the #1 ranking site, Mr. Brick of Houston. As you can see, they would be pretty easy to beat out with content, but let's take a look at the back end. Here's a tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs, and these are some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR are trustworthiness and authority of a website. What makes those numbers are the 462 backlinks coming from 43 referring domains, and they also have 281 keywords. So a backlink is a website linking to another, kind of like a shout out. It's important to note that not all backlinks are created equally. There are high quality links and spammy ones to avoid, which would bring these numbers down for you. Let's take a look at your website. I have plugged it in here. You guys have 23 UR, 16 DR, coming from 262 backlinks, 32 referring domains with 212 keywords. To increase your ratings means going after quality backlinks and buyer intent keywords. One way to get quality backlinks is the copy replace method by going into your competitor, their backlinks, and linking them to your website, because if it's helping them rank, it'll work for you. If we look at some keywords here, good buyer intent keywords are Brick Masonry Houston, that has 20 volume each month. Brick Repair Houston, 250. Here's one with 450. That's a good buyer intent keyword. And the list just keeps going and going with plenty of pages at the bottom. So in conclusion, I hope I was able to bring you some value with explaining a little bit about content, citations, and backlinks. If you don't mind, a line of feedback over this video would be greatly appreciated. And I thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Stay safe.